For me, entrepreneurship is one person taking risk in the market, bringing up his product, taking financial risk and everything to make it a successful business and make the market go boom. Wow, what a good product. That's what I think entrepreneurship is.
Entrepreneurship is something like that we start an idea that we pitch from the basic and then we take it up to a higher level to like create things on that idea, based on that idea.
Entrepreneurship, I think it is something like to build a product which has some use and it is in demand, because of which when you sell it you can gain some profit. So that I think can be defined as entrepreneurship.
Entrepreneurship. What is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is about finding a problem and trying to fix it using your creativity and finding it a solution. So it's about taking the steps to turn an idea into a solution. Entrepreneurship is just not about money. It's about using your creativity to find a way in a simple and effective manner to help people.
Yeah, to me, Elon Musk is one entrepreneur that inspires me. His never give up attitude and his focus on what he has to do, and his so focused on his life goals, and he never gives up. And despite so many failures, he always kept believing in himself.
Yes, I used to watch Shark Tank, and there was an entrepreneur there, Ashneer Grover, and he was like direct with his answers. He was just literally telling the reality of the product instead of sugarcoating. So I like that the quality of him.
What's the name of that guy? What was the name of the CEO? Mukesh Bansal, yeah, the CEO of Myntra. Yeah, he is an inspiring one because like he created such a nice platform for the product.
Like I think personally they should be a bit of all-rounder. I think they should understand, they should listen, they should understand the people's problems, they should listen to what other people are saying, they should be communicative, they should have an idea to actually how to put their ideas in front of people, because if they don't understand, then how will it happen?
For me, you are able to sell it. Like you can convince someone to buy your products. You can convince someone to have attractions toward your products.
But then a lot of people can have basically the ability to sell a product, but not a lot of people have the capital, the risk-taking capacity, all of that we need, because financial risk, scaling, everything, or every step that you want to do, you want to enlarge your stage, you want to go from one step to another step, everything takes a huge amount of risk, and you're putting your life on that one particular idea that may not even boom in the society. People may not like it, people may not find it very interesting for themselves, but then that is the fun with it. No? You never.
First of all, you have to take risk.
So first of all, for me, being entrepreneur, first thing, getting a societal questions and solving it is the first thing to be an entrepreneur.
Okay, so that is one point, but mainly it consists of a lot of things. Risk taking, as you mentioned, is one thing, but you need to be able to plan your finances. You need to be able to build it up stage by stage and see where you need to develop in what way. It's a lot of things, and mainly communication. That's one of the biggest things.
And it also involves the leadership skills to maintain the people with you and along with your teammates work on a project. So
yeah, maybe in the upcoming years I will build a startup, but right now I don't have an idea. I want.
Not yet an idea, but I am planning towards it.
Okay, that's great.
I'm thinking about it actually, but not right now. Personally, I feel after working for 5 years, having my own income, then maybe I will try.
Now we are in first year, but yeah, we do want to start up a startup. We do want to do business.
Okay.
And it's basically obviously the money part which attracts us towards it, because there is no limit to how much entrepreneur can make, but then there are a lot of things that come before the money. We are looking for a very great idea for now.
Yes, I know about ECL SMBIT. It is Entrepreneurs SMBIT. Yes, even recently we had an event. It was called Star Pitch. I was a participant and it was an amazing event.
ECL SMBIT is a club that helps to build the required skills for any student to to entrepreneurship, and it helps and it promotes the skill of entrepreneurship in the new freshers.
Obviously, we know about ECL SMBIT. Everyone talks about it. We know a lot about it. We are planning to get into it too, and we are just creating a path to it right now.
I have heard about it. I have heard the event also that happened very recently. And that's all I know about ECL.
Okay, so basically ECL SMBIT is a community that works upon helping startups or people who have ideas to build, and anybody who's interested in participating in events or doesn't know where to start, we can guide them, to mentor them, provide them with support. And we also host many events, inter-college and college, and give a platform mainly for juniors to go ahead and start.